You are pirate. And what? Don't kill anyone. Okay, bro. We are here. Ready? Yes, we started, bro. The volcano eruption. Where am I? Oh, my flash step. My flash. I do V4, okay? Flash step. Bro, we like 100% health. Volcano pressure. I do, okay. Okay, bro. I'm helping to kill the golem. Volcano eruption pressure. One die. Oh. Two die. 2000. Their level is 2000, bro. Volcano pressure. I don't know what island is this. Bro, do it fast. I'm not enough strong to do this island. Bro, what do we need to do? The portal user. Bro, what do we need to do? I'm waiting here to refill my energy. A golem. Lava golem. Die. Can I erupt? Can I open my instinct? No. Yes, open. But my instinct is not enough to kill them. Yes. We are killing them really fast. Pressure 30%. What? Why it is decreasing? Oh. Ooh. Die. He literally attacked. What? Is he have the dragon race? No golem is here. We need to do it fast, bros. We need to do it fast. Fast, bro. Bro, how much time did you take to kill the golem? Their level is 2500. They are very strong. I didn't have enough energy, bro. I need some energy. I'm waiting here to refill my energy. And when I'm coming here, I kill one sea beast. So I have some money. This is new update? Bro, who is saying? Do the attack. Don't die. I'm doing my attacks. Do the sea attack. The volcano pressure 20% and 19 seconds left, bro. Open instinct. Yes, guy. What's happened, bro? What is happening? What is happening? Need to collect egg. Your spirit is not yet to the dragon. What? Now what do we need to do? What do we need to do? What do we need to do? What do we need to do, bro? I have 3 secrets. But really, what do we need to do? As I got egg now. What do we need to do here? My hand is literally glitching. We need to do. What do we need to do? It's that. So what do we literally need to do? What? Where is the boat, bro? What's happening? Literally. I am resetting, bro. I am resetting. I need sea beasties and rumbling water. City outpost. Guardian. I am going. Yes, go to find seaweed and rumbling water. Yes, go fast. We do the Volcano Island. Yes, go fast. I'm going there. None. 0. I'm going underwater because I need almost 3 million money. Go, really go. I think that didn't give us money. But they didn't give the money. Why, bro? I'm going there. I am going there. Yes. To find. Yes. Go. Fast. Why the boat is so slow? I didn't fight with him because I didn't want to waste my boat health. Going to the medium. Yes, medium. Then hard. Hard have chance to spawn sea beasts and rumbling water. Why the boats are so slow? I don't know why the boats are so slow, high level. I'm going almost half of the high level. Yes, look the light right of my compass. Yes, wait here for the sea beast or rumbling water. Yes, sea beast spawn. Sea beast. Sea beast is not spawning. Why, bro? I'm going to extreme. Yes, go to extreme. Extreme. Now the sea beast spawn. Sea beast spawn. Sea beast. Or the sharks. I don't wanna fight with them. Go. Please spawn sea beast. Sea beast. I'm almost too crazy. I'm in the crazy level of the water, of the sea. Shark is following me. I'm almost half of the crazy level. Please sea beast spawn. Is sea beast spawning? No. Why the sea beast is not responsible? Rumbling water. Yes. I literally need that. I literally need that. Yes, attack. Yes. Yes, attack. Attack, rumbling. I'm opening my instincts. One die. One literally die. And it gives 200. Oh, thank you, bro. They heal my health. They literally heal my health. He literally heal my health. Yes, one more die. It is easy for rumbling water to kill the rumbling water. I think it is so hard. When I was new in the Blox Fruits. Yes, rumbling. Die, rumbling water. Yes, shower. Sea beast. Hi. Sea beast almost have 10,000 health left. Die. Where is my bot? Yes. I got 1 million rupees. Wow. What I got? Top hat. Oh, yes. Level up. All in the melee. Yes. Go little bit. There. Go far. Rumbling water is so easy. Bro. Yes, wait for here. Please spawn sea beast or rumbling water. Sea beast or rumbling water. Spawn sea beast. Oh, I didn't want rug sea. I didn't want to go to this sea level. Yes, I am going to the sea level 6. Yes, I didn't want rug water, bro. Bro, waiting here. 3000 fragments. Please go away, rug water. Yes. There are shark. Sea boss. Red boss. What? Oh. This is the terror shark? Yes. What? Is he using the true triple katana? I die. Because he's so strong. Bye guys. Bye. Meet tomorrow. I got much money.